Welcome to expanding binomial products. When expanding binomial products, we multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket, and then we collect like terms. So let's have a look at example 1. We're just going to start with all positive numbers to make it easy. So our first one's x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3, and our second one's 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 4. So when you expand, as was stated, you multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. And the way to do this is from the first bracket, you take the x and you multiply it by the second bracket, the x plus 3. And then from the first bracket, you take the plus 2 and multiply it by the second bracket. And then you expand each of those brackets. So x times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 3 is 6. And finally, to simplify, you collect like terms, giving you x squared plus 5x plus 6. For the second one, we're going to do the exact same. Multiply everything in the first bracket by the second bracket. So we'll start with that 2x at the front of the first bracket, multiplied by the 3x plus 4. And then take the plus 1 in the first bracket and multiply it by the 3x plus 4. Expanding that, you get 6x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 4. And collecting like terms, you get 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. Example 2. So for this one, we're just going to use negatives. And we'll demonstrate that you've just got to be careful when you're expanding with the negative. So similar to before, we take everything in the first bracket and multiply it by the second bracket. So we take the x and put it out the front of the 4 minus 2x, and then we take the minus 3 from the first bracket and put it out the front of 4 minus 2x. Expanding your brackets, so you get x times 4 is 4x, x times minus 2x is minus 2x squared, minus 3 times 4 is minus 12, and the one to be careful of, minus 3 times minus 2x is plus 6x. Collecting like terms, you get minus 2x squared plus 10x minus 12. Thank you.